I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search for Action Zoho CRM. Select respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret, please visit Zoho API Console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server-Based Applications. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URL from authorization page. And paste it here. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Click on Accept. Authorized successfully done. Click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see some advanced options and conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use this. Click on Next. Our integration successfully done. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Let's go to Zoho CRM. On Lead module, reload this page. You can see data is created in Lead module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.